The 2040 has a 30-gallon coolant tank with a high-pressure coolant pump. Now keep in mind, coolant is just as important as a blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The C-5200 is a synthetic coolant, and like all cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it should be mixed at an 8-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. C-5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blades, reducing heat and friction. It keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I've seen this throughout all the years I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in higher blade costs and poor performance. The C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. The 5200 coolant is a low-foam, environmental-friendly fluid that resists mold, bacteria, and prevents rust on your machinery and parts.